ELES is the guardian of Slovenia's electric power transmission system, integrated into the European energy system, with the main goal of ensuring the safe, reliable, and uninterrupted transmission of electricity. Over 550 of ELES employees are working relentlessly on bringing energetic stability of the region to life. ELES went through several transformations over their rich timeline, but the digital one began in 2012, when ELES released a public tender for a digital solution.
Since we are sort of public company, for larger projects we are obliged to do public procurement. Our IT environment is based on Microsoft solutions, and we wanted to have newer version of Microsoft ERP, to have continuity, and to make the transition as smooth as possible.
ELES made the first step into the digital future by implementing BE-terna Utilities and Infrastructure solution, successfully providing digital support to a large share of business processes.
We are using BE-terna's UIM project, which allows us to have better support within the system for investment projects, public procurement and asset management, segments that are for our company most important.
BE-terna is our long-year partner, so when we considered to move to a newer version of Microsoft ERP system, logical choice for us would be to engage BE-terna. We made public tender and BE-terna proved to be the best fit for our needs.
The transition to BE-terna Utilities and Infrastructure solution, based on Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Operations, marked almost a decade of continuing successful cooperation between BE-terna and ELES.
In the beginning, it was not really a plan to go on a cloud solution. Since ELES is transmission system operator, cybersecurity and data protection are for us among biggest concerns. So when we started to consider implementation in cloud, we saw many benefits, especially in terms of security, availability of the service, accessibility of the system, and in terms of evergreen solution.
We wanted to implement Service Bus to get better insight and overview for integration within different systems, and to implement data management. Together with BE-terna, we succeeded to meet all desired goals.
And whenever there is a change, people react differently. But for sure, there are advantages that we have cleared processes, embedded Power BI reports give needed information much quicker, and we also have implemented data lake, which allow us to do more complex insight reports as we were able in the past. Before we moved to cloud, we made TCO analysis for both options, and based on TCO result, it was the right solution to go to cloud.
The latest project collaboration between BE-terna and ELES is the DigiELES project, a complete digital transformation strategy aimed to prepare the company for future energy requirements.
DigiELES is our official digitalization project in the company. It is partially financed through European Union, and it is a project with expected deliveries for different stakeholders within company. Among other, we expect deliveries in business processes, so we will deliver robot process automation for certain chosen processes, implement IoT devices in fleet management. We plan to introduce the VR and AR in asset management, to establish platforms for sustainability reporting, and IE for better decisions for future network development, etc. Main goal of all these activities is to develop and enhance digital competences that will help address future challenges.
Our plan is to continue with process optimization and to implement process automation as much as possible for our colleagues to have time and resources for tasks with higher value added. We need to implement proper support for portfolio and project management to get 360-degree insight of our assets from the time they were first planned through investment, maintenance, till end of their use, and to help our colleagues to develop and work at their best potential, also with the help of IT tools and solutions.
With clear plans for future digitalization projects, the partnership between ELES and BE-terna will continue to contribute to their vision that places ELES at the very top of the intersectoral managed energy.